I think we are live. That's the words every stream is starting.
Well, so I have to see this.
No, you don't have to see them now.
Yeah, I know it. Watch them.
So, what do you think? Yeah, we are live, and I'm showing OBS. Okay, so hello everybody. Today we will try to learn Kotlin by building an Android application. It's actually for our project at university, so I thought rather than just to build it, maybe I can show you the process. I think this is disturbing me. So my idea was to build an application. I saw the NASA APIs. I think I showed you. They have actually very nice open APIs that you can use to retrieve interesting data. For example, this one's a good one, is the astronomer picture of the day. Every day it returns a new picture. I thought it's pretty cool. I saw there are mobile application that changes your background wallpaper to astronomer picture of the day. I thought about that idea, but I think for our project it will be too little. You can't probably. But it's cool. For example, this is the astronomer picture of today.
Oh wow.
Noise.
That's really nice. But you ended up picking a different one.
Yeah. I was actually thinking about picking the Near Earth Object Web Service. It returns actually like a list of asteroids that are around Earth and the date when they will be the closest to Earth. I thought it's really interesting, but again, there is no picture, there is nothing interesting that you can show. It's like just you have like a list of the objects, which has like, for example, diameter, the speed that they are traveling to the Earth, and when they will be the closest to the Earth.
Okay.
Yeah, but let's see. I think this API caught my eye because it displays images of the rovers taken by the rovers on Mars, which is pretty dope.
Yeah. And you ended up picking this one?
Yeah, I'll build something around this API. I think there are 3 rovers on Mars. Currently, I think only one is still active.
Okay.
Going around, exploring. Let's make sure that audio is good.
So I can go to the other room and try, or you can give me your headphones.
Yeah, it's good. Probably.
Yeah.
Let's just see.
Most definitely it's good.
Hello there. So, yeah, let's see an example of an image. They don't look very good because they're from the rover. I thought that's interesting because you can scroll and see like different pictures, and the rover has like a lot of cameras on them. It's not only one camera, it's where is it?
Maybe you'll see an alien.
Yeah, we can find it. So it has like around a lot of cameras on them.
Around 9.
Yeah. So I think here I designed the layout, how I think it should look. Here is the home screen.
Mm-hmm.
It will display a list of rovers in a horizontal scrolling, so you'll scroll like from right to left, and to see another rover. Here we will display like the data about this rover and if it's currently active. And after that you can press view photos, and it will take us to the photos page, and will display a list of all the photos. Here will be like the date of the photos and the camera. Not sure if the camera makes sense to display there, but
maybe
we'll see. Yeah, a lot of things will change by the end. That's definitely. But in order to have something from what to start.
Exactly.
So yes, let's open Android Studio
and start your journey.
By the way, I have zero experience with Kotlin.
Neither. Same.
Yeah, that's gonna be the first line written in Kotlin, so I will spend a lot of time on Google.
And I think that's good, because that's how you show how to learn.
We'll see if we are not getting stuck at the first screen and
no, that's probably
closing the stream.
That's probably gonna happen, but you know.
Yeah, we start a new project. The name, Martian, language Kotlin, fuck yeah. Getting hot.
I think you can already open
Google
and prepare Kotlin. I don't know
how to
Kotlin.
Let's just watch tutorial
That's
the whole
great, yeah.
stream. And first thing first, let's run the hello world.
You can't start learning a new language without doing that.
I think that's the thing that I tried to do previous week. Waiting.
So yeah, of course. I think it should be extra hard. And
Here it is.
Here.
Hello world. Thank you everyone.
That's where we.
That's all for today.
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first. What should I do?
Think starting from layouts.
To create a new layout from the beginning for this card?
Yep. Well, your main. I don't know. Will your app will have some kind of like main menu, or that's going to be
the first screen?
So yeah.
Maybe after that I will add, but in the beginning.
So that's what you should create in your layouts.
Layouts.
And you have your activity main, which will
use that
be holding your
layout
navigation.
Resource. This will be the rover card. Linear. Can I change it to constraint?
Yeah.
This one. I think it should be lowercase. Oh, okay. That's something new. So, first of all, it has a type of container, a Card? What's card view?
Don't know that. Let's Google it.
Let's see. Oh, but I have to download it. Let's see.
I almost
Actually,
have as much experience as you do.
And if you add things to it, for example, an image. Displays.
So a card view is basically a card which has basically
It's like a
shadow
container.
box. That's it.
It's a container with
Yeah,
good
it's a
design.
container with average design.
I think that's what we need.
Yep, probably for your picture.
Oh my god. Why it doesn't show me anything here? In the...
Maybe that's a good question, but I don't. That one you will probably use,
Yeah, I need that.
or you could
Maybe I can
code straight XML.
No. No component selected. Huh.
It has an image view inside, so I think you can select image. No.
Yeah, but the same. Hello?
Amazing start. How will you? Oh, so you can choose in constraint layout, but card view, maybe card view. Can you go to XML a little bit here?
Card. This is not constrained. Okay, I can do that. Constraint here. Constraint here. Why would you do that?
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Containers. Maybe I used another container, but no, I think I used card. Should we start to restart Android Studio?
Think that will help.
It always helps.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't think that that could be experimental mind.
Oh, here it is. You know,
Why does it work like that?
every time when something is not working, just restart Android Studio. That's how it works, bro. And one here. And maybe... much. Okay. Think like this will be good. This one, the width I want full width. And height. I need to keep...
You will probably have other components below and then constrain them with that. And then you'll have height.
Or just make it like this.
Or you can make it lighter.
Well, that's not the best because it will not scale, but it's a start. So here we have an image, then we need a text label for the main text. It's this one. And probably I will zoom in. I need to constrain. Oh no.
You have it in your card view. But do you want to have it, this whole thing as a card view? I think you can have it only picture in a card view, and then all the text just in constraint below.
To have here a container, constraint layout.
Yeah, basically close your card view here, because right now your text is in your card view. But do you need that?
I probably need a card around it like this.
Oh, you want it to be at that? Okay, then yeah, then you probably do need.
Let me see what I used in the other project. No, that was a mistake. I think it's this one. It's a card view. Oh, and inside I put a constraint layout in order to okay, to manage everything. Yeah, that's true. That's why we couldn't align them.
Okay.
So we need a constraint layout inside the card view and all of this inside the constraint layout. And the constraint layout transparent, image view. Why does it? Oh, it doesn't like the constraints.
Maybe it's not. No, it's not constrained. No, it's constrained. Constrained.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Top start and okay. What does it missing content description? Okay. This one. Come here. Right below the.
And at the end, you let us know how much did you got,
How much what?
the grade of this
Oh,
part.
the grade.
Yeah.
Not doing this for the grade.
But yeah, still interesting.
And I need some body on top. Something like that. Let's put a
Bold
different name. This will be dynamic, but for the moment, let's see how it looks like this. Something like this. Bold.
No problem.
And to give it an ID, this is Rover name. After the rover, we need to display the status of it. Text view. Constraint it here. To the left or above?
Maybe
Probably
above,
here.
because that one is already constrained. So if you need it just below, probably like that. But I'm not sure.
Yeah, and maybe add some padding.
This text should be green.
This text will be green if it's active.
Oh.
So let's say active. This is rover status. But maybe I don't need to put rover here because it's clear that
But
it's
in,
rover.
in your code, I think it would be clear because.
But everything about this is about rover.
Okay.
So I'll have rover name, rover status. We'll see. Naming variables 101. Yeah, probably. Didn't read lol. What's next? Launch date. Text view. I love doing layouts.
But that's the part where you don't get as frustrated as later on. Or maybe you were
You think
even
so?
more. I don't don't know everything like for me about Android.
Launch date, and we will have another one that will be constrained to the top of this one. Like this, and to the left of this one. And to have some 16 to the left. And
I
this
think
will
you
be,
need more padding up top because it's very close to active.
I think I don't have any. That's why. 16. So here will be a hard-coded date for now. And we need to do that for 2 more times for...
Give the ID to your date.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Launch date. Yeah. And we need to do the same for the landing date. No, what I'm doing.
Yeah, then
Oh, here I can do that. 16. Why didn't copy?
yeah, I think you should do it here, like copy them and then paste them. Copy them and now select this, your constraint layout file.
Copy and then
Paste them in, yeah. Probably you can do that better, but
and this one will be constrained to here. I'm already lost. So why you have here 16 on top, 16 this one here and here, 16 to the left, and this will be landing date, and change the ID of this one, and date,
delete it. Yeah.
and one more time for the this one. Come on. Are there people enjoying this stuff?
No, I think if you are actually like programming in Android Studio like natively only for Android with Kotlin or Java, I think you would use and learn how to use XML and coding it there. I think it's easier if you know how to
Oh, actually, yeah.
than actually playing with these layouts.
Max date or date of death. Which one?
Yeah.
Which one was the rover that died recently?
No idea.
We can see that. I think if you go to the Rovers URL, you will see a list of rovers. Oh, I need the API key. Something like that. Curiosity 2019 September was the last day. but it's still active. Spirit in 2010. No, that's an old one. An opportunity. Yeah, opportunity was the one previous year. It completed its mission. But it was launched in 2003, and I think it was supposed to run for just a couple of years. For I don't remember how many years, but it worked like until 2018. So it's pretty nice.
It's a long time.
So where are we here? Max date. Is that everything we need? I think a button.
Yeah, I think, and you had those three like page counters. That's it.
Page. Oh. Oh, but I think
And
there is a component like that. But that's not here. That's in the main activity.
if that's a fragment,
So I need a button. Big button. I will constraint it to the button. Come on.
so what are your goals for today?
I don't know, at least to finish this page to display all the three.
Already taking from the NASA API, the real
No,
data,
I think
or
I will use mock data
Mhm.
in order not to waste a lot of time with the API.
Okay.
And at the end I will just connect it to the API and that's it. I think that will be better to start seeing already
Let's see.
something. View patterns and color. That's text color background. And green. No bueno.
Green for view forest.
It doesn't actually matter at this point.
Maybe.
I'm a bad designer, right?
Not the greatest.
So here what we've got. Now we need to somehow connect it to a class. Right? You know.
Probably. Yeah, and then if you want to create a new activity, then it's.
But it's not
going
an
to be
activity,
here.
it's
If it's a fragment, then you.
but
have
it's
to-
not a fragment as well. It's I think a custom view.
Oh, you're creating a custom view, like,
Yeah.
and then you will display it in your main activity. Then yeah, then it's custom view.
Should I create it like this? Rover.
Good name.
Exactly. I don't need the layout because I already have them. And the rover. Whoa. Whoa.
What's that?
What's that?
That's-
Probably I don't need this one. No, bro, I just need the.
Yeah, probably not this one. Just delete. No, you can just delete it. That's what I don't like about it. You got like bunch of code, which no idea what you're doing.
We can check. Kotlin custom view. I think I was already here.
I'm pretty sure.
Is it this one?
should
No,
be
no,
good.
no.
Not into no. If you need a class, and then you can choose interface or what.
Okay. And I needed to overload that. If that will work.
Probably important. I don't know.
Bro, I did it in the other project. I don't remember.
Just don't press this.
Yeah, no, remember. Custom view. Yeah, it's something similar that we did. Just extending the constraint layout, and that's how you link the layout to it. Let's just copy paste it here. Well,
Works like a charm.
yeah. Importing everything. Not like that. So yeah, now I think we will have it if we make it. Project Rover. Yeah.
See, you have no more than,
Why it's hello world?
because you still have hello world text deleted.
Ah. I wonder if it will work.
I think it should. Everything looks okay.
Yeah, it's there.
I'm trying to run it. Keeping fingers crossed. It almost looks like a charm.
Almost. I think the picture is too
Yeah,
big
you
and
should make it scalable somehow. Because if you, let's say, if I have all small phone,
I think there was a guideline. This one, I think.
but not here. Is it here?
No. In the Rover XML guideline horizon. Where is it? This one?
Yeah. I'm not sure what this thing does, but let's see.
Not sure if I need it.
You can use a grid view. But no, I don't think this should actually.
It's already good.
Oh, what did you do?
Just resize the image and that's it.
Oh, okay. Well, good enough.
Yeah. So what now?
What's your next page? Oh, you also view photos.
The image? No, I think I
Connecting everything.
Yeah, I need to connect everything with a data binding somehow.
Good luck.
Yeah, let's see how it is done in Kotlin. So in order to use the find view by ID, I think it has a way to bind the objects to the view in an easier way. So first step, build Gradle. I need this. Gradle scripts. Of the up. In that mode, yeah. And it here. And sync project. Oh, inside the Android section, yeah. I need to move it here. Try again.
Okay.
Okay, first step done. Wrap all the views in activity into a layout tag and move the namespace operation into the name into layout tag. That means that in the
Activity main XML
or this one, because we want to bind for the rover, we will go to the text and wrap everything inside that layout.
Okay. No, I think it's under that. Yeah.
I think there is a better way to do that.
Oh,
And we need
these three.
this thing. Nice. Okay, then second step is done.
So okay, so explain. Why are you doing this?
In order to be able to set the data of like the name, all the dates to the actual values, not to the hard-coded ones. So there is a way to do it with find view by ID, but that's first of all very inconvenient to write, and it's very slow as I read, because it has to parse all the tree all the time. But if you do it with bindings, it caches the actual values of the elements, and it accesses them much easier. So I think that's binding.
That should be rover, no?
Rover the binding, right? Rover binding. And on create, use that binding which used to set the content view. That's here.
No, I think that's. Can you show me? Can you do that thing?
On create.
I think it's.
I think it's here because here they are on create. There is no on create here. And
I think it's because your class is like a constructor.
That's something related to Kotlin, right?
Yeah, it's not this. I think it's activity. Do you have? If you don't have that.
Oh, It's an activity.
Yeah, so it mm, it was something. It should be something like
Kotlin data binding for custom view.
like this. Oh no, yeah, it should be this. You should override on create. But you see the problem is that I think that your class is different class.
It says that we do it like this.
Also,
Why is it outside? Oh, here we have a binding. Unbind, inflate.
I think it should be
Inflate.
then the set constant context.
Let's try what these are saying. Wait, this is not Kotlin. Kotlin is var like this. Inflate inflator.
Looks
Probably
strange.
it will not work.
That's it. This one.
Mm-mm.
You can try to use something like this. It's
With
also
on create?
binding. Yeah.
That's for the main activity, no?
No, that's not binding.
Or
For another thing.
yeah, but it's for activity.
You want to do it.
I wonder if data binding is only for activities.
No, it's. I think you maybe. Maybe.
It also has a setter.
That's interesting.
Please help. Oh,
What are you thinking?
thinking that I should learn Kotlin because
Well-
apparently this is the constructor, and where is the body of a class?
But why is it created as a constructor?
Maybe I did it wrong. So
Interesting. That's first pitfall.
create a custom view with data binding. It's so simple. Let's see. We're just done.
That's probably the introduction.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we have though.
Probably. We need to communicate with XML.
Okay. So, they're providing their own library?
I don't know. It seems that you can create them without even the class.
Only with XML? Yeah.
Yeah, they are using like include the keyboard. That's the XML that they did. View model on. Oh.
Hey,
Finally the bind.
took quite a few steps to get here.
Up. That's an activity.
Yeah, you see, you created different like constructor or something like that. With that image at the bottom is amazing. GIF.
Oh. Is this really better? If I would understand how to use it? Probably. Maybe the binding should be on the activity and everything else is somehow binded.
I have zero clue.
Okay. Let's just watch the clips.
Yeah.
My brain right now. Okay. People help us. Hello, Nick. Maybe we will create it for the main activity. Here, let's Ctrl Z to the beginning.
Only will work.
That's how it is done. No, too much. Enough. So to do this in the main activity. And
What?
oh, probably I get, or probably I don't.
Explain what you think.
Bro, I'm lost.
I'm quite lost as well. So it's gonna be, I already can see that. Not a lot of fun creating. Well, maybe when you get like started and
Yeah, it's hard to get started because I have no clue how Kotlin works. Main activity on create. Now we need the binding object.
either way, I don't think this project will change my opinion about programming in Kotlin, Java, but in Android Studio in general.
No? What happened? Where is the main activity binding?
Do you have your main activity wrapped in
it's
layout
not
file?
it's yeah, that's actually true. Activity main, text. Not like that. Oh my god. Like this.
Here.
Now, will it find it? Yeah, it does.
Perfect.
We need to import this class and I think I don't need this one.
Set boundary.
Yeah, because the binding does that.
And now from binding,
And now in the rover I will also revert back. And let's see if it works. No, I ran a different project.
that's good.
I need to close it.
Maybe you were even working on that project.
It's building.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, it's back here.
Okay, at least something.
At least something. I will need to create the class that will hold the data for a rover. So let's create a new package for the models. I want to create a Kotlin class called rover. So Kotlin classes. Kotlin classes, Kotlin constructors.
That's what we know.
But
So you, okay. That's only data class.
so actually we need a data class now.
I don't know, probably, yeah.
Yeah, because it will hold only data. So yeah, it's gonna be a data class. Rover. And here is a, if you
It doesn't have those, delete those brackets. Yeah. And then
this
specify.
will be the default constructor, right?
Yeah.
So
So basically say val.
okay, probably it will have an ID, but do we need? Or the name will be the ID. Let's keep the name string. It will have, let's actually look here. Oh, it actually have an ID that we can keep in our system for easily.
Accessing.
Yeah. Is it int with capital? Does they have? No, it's probably with capital.
Or it might be even the full name, I'm not sure.
What else? Name, landing date.
Yeah.
Val is a constant or a variable? Because there is val and var.
Yeah, and I don't know which one is better too.
One is, I know it's a constant, and one landing date. Yeah, it's of type.
Do they have
Probably we will have strings for now. String. Launch date. Probably launch date will be before landing date. To keep it.
beautiful?
String. Can I do that? It already. OCD trying to push my buttons. Landing date. Max date. String.
Also you need status.
Yeah, status is also a string. Probably will need max sol. Sol is a day on Mars, like a amount of time that Mars does a rotation.
Okay, that's interesting.
Max sol. And let's grab the total photos. Maybe we'll need it. Total.
I think you do need to have total photos because in your at least mock-up data you were displaying how many.
String it's and how to provide default values like this. Probably no. Like this. Probably yes. Max sol is also not a string. So int. Let's keep it to 0. Status. Active.
deleted.
Equal. Yeah, that's the data class. Now, in main activity, we should somehow send this like an instance of the rovers down to the rover layout.
Okay, yeah, we should.
That's a task.
That's probably not gonna be. Maybe it's easy. I don't know.
So we have data bindings. We have here. Actually, let's add 3 rovers into a scrollable view.
You want to make it right now?
Yeah, just 3 with static data so far. And then we can access them and send data and somehow figure out how to display this data.
Oh, okay.
So in the activity main, if we have one more rover, is there anything layout?
What are you searching for?
I'm searching for a horizontal view, like a scrollable horizontal view.
Well, Google can help you probably.
Let's see.
Yeah, they do have something.
Horizontal
Go to
scroll view. Oh, it's a scroll view, but you just change the direction. Probably, yeah. Scroll view. Oh yeah.
we have
here. And probably we don't even need the constraint layer. No, we need. And the rovers will be inside it. Has a linear layout. And if we say much parent, no, this one should be wrap content because it's big. Will it work? Why doesn't it display?
I have not the greatest feeling, but let's see.
Drum rolls.
And voila.
Hello. Why?
Why? That's a good question.
Orientation horizontal I wanted. Or delete one. No, I don't see.
Do you need a linear layout inside horizontal scroll view?
Yeah, I think that's
Then why do you have constraint layout up top as well? If you have still a layout.
the constraint layout holds the horizontal view,
Yeah.
which
But do you need it? Maybe you can, like, you have a parent layout tag. But I'm not sure why
But if I add here not rovers but images, maybe it's something bad with.
Okay, and you do another one.
Yeah, probably.
Add 10 of them and see whether it's working.
No, it's
But you
working.
want it like that,
Like what?
or do you want to have it
To move it like step by
like
step.
yeah, one picture, one rover, other rover, or like
Why that it doesn't show? I think that we messed up the layout of them.
Oh, what did
Here
you?
it is. It didn't have like width and height.
Okay, maybe stretch it so it would be the whole picture.
Much better, but I think we might
No, that's
wrap content.
how it was before when it was showing it.
It was
It
hard
was static,
coded.
though.
It was hard coded like 500 dp.
Okay. Well, can you? No, you can't constrain it to the sides. Okay.
Should I somehow dynamically set the width of it of a width of a screen?
Or just make it like right now. Just put I don't know 400 dp and
Yeah, probably for now it will be good
I
enough.
think it's gonna take.
It's gonna end like this?
Yeah, I think that's how
If
we're
I-
gonna leave it. But let's say
Yeah,
no.
but I want to move.
Exactly.
I put only one, let's put
For better performance. Well, I don't.
what will happen. 0 dp.
I think I know what's going to happen. Yeah, exactly. I was pretty sure. You need to add more of them to actually check what they're.
I think this should be done in the Rover XML.
What?
To set its width.
I don't know. Zero here.
If we put wrap content. Okay.
And then put there. Nice
Uh,
pattern.
And here also wrap content.
Here you go.
It's good like
At
that.
least I think it's more than just good.
Does it have like space between them?
That's why you need to run it. I can already see the gap. It's not full. But okay.
So yeah,
Actually,
it kind of works.
yeah, it's better than I expected. But this gap between the
It should be bigger.
on the right, no. Go. You can see here the card view.
Yeah,
It
because-
should be. Oh, but you can make it like go back to your code.
and not 400.
No, not for. I mean here the whole linear layout, or
To add
to add some pattern. So it would look like a card actually when you're scrolling it.
mm, here the margins, no, padding. Sixteen.
See? But no. Well, let's see. No.
DP.
Okay. And you see, now it looks, I think, better, but you need more on the bottom because you're probably going to store those like 3 dots on the bottom.
Yeah, but I think that's not for now.
Yeah, but this side still looks, the right gap looks so annoying.
It should have like between them
More?
the same 16 dps like here. Layout space between items.
Margin. Well,
On the children.
go and try. I don't know if that's the best solution, but that's one way to do it. And if it works.
I can do that. I can do it here like 8 and 8.
That's will it help that to solve that problem? Where are you setting those?
That's in the rover.
Oh,
XML.
okay.
Is it fun?
You see, go like, yeah, this one. It needs to have here the same amount of space as it does
Yeah,
here.
it needs to.
Because now it's
we need to set not like hard coded with.
the people who have OCD right now are dying watching it. Just say it's crazy.
Let's try to focus right now on displaying the actual data, because I feel that's the most challenging part.
Yeah,
And this with styling, aligning, and all this stuff later on. If we will
probably never that means,
probably
but
never, but let's try. So we need to send.
what do you need to send or where?
We need to send actual instances of rovers to each one there. We can go to the main activity and give each rover an ID. Okay, rover. Let's pick them by name. Here it is, curiosity. Yeah. This one, spirit.
But later on you have to change the IDs again.
Why?
Or will you keep them always like that? You don't know. Oh yeah, you said there's only 3 rovers, right?
Yeah, there is
Oh.
only 3 rovers. I could make them dynamically to display,
Okay.
but let's start with just because we know that there are 3 rovers at the moment. So there are 3 rovers. Now from the main activity we can say binding dot rover opportunity, and to bind here a variable. how that works.
That's a good question.
Again with data binding.
It's something like that, is it? But then you need to get, that's already like,
It's for a text. Kotlin bind data. God, I have no idea, I'm lost.
exactly. I think it's going to take quite a bit of research to actually get it going.
Okay, I think I understand how to send the data, the rovers from the main activity to them, but after that I have no idea how to actually display the data. So first of all, in the activity main, I think here on top we need the data component and a variable, the name rover, first one is curiosity, and it's the full path is com dot example dot martian dot models dot rover, and like this for all of them.
Okay. That's interesting.
That's spirit. The last one is opportunity.
And why are you doing this?
To have a reference to these variables probably in layout. So here, I will need to send somehow this data.
Okay.
Is it specific to Kotlin? Kotlin custom view send data. Oh, probably that's something that we need.
Oh yeah, that's exactly it.
Same thing. It's right from the
Here in your custom view you do app dot.
And the first parameter is a view, and the second is an object. And then in the data binding layout file have something like okay, custom view, okay, here I'm lost. Then providing your custom view implementation, pass data binding object, passing for the data non-variable, for example, for the custom view. I think Isn't that how we should create the custom view?
Maybe.
Where is this starting method? Anywhere in your code base. Anywhere.
Maybe main activity probably.
I don't know. Anywhere. Let's do it here. And it's should it be outside the class? Or
Okay, then maybe change the name.
not what's up thing?
Probably here. Wait. Which specify.
That means that it should be set where is the main activities? The same name as this one?
Maybe.
And then, okay. Oh, it's this one. The thing here is related to this one. Okay, then it should be up rover. Then in the Android XML for the rover, we need up rover, and then to access the variable on top. Rover curiosity. Getting somewhere. Probably nowhere. And to do the same for all of
But
them.
is it the way you have to specify it? Can you go back?
Oh, it's
with
with
that, yeah.
that. Okay. Rover speed.
Well, at least something is happening. Not sure what, not sure where we're going.
Not sure what, and not sure why. Yeah?
Exactly. But so, is there anything useful?
I don't know. Let's see if we get the logs. If
Open your log.
cannot find single class models. Where?
What? Yeah. Interesting.
Maybe I should make it. No.
Where do we have it? Maybe they converted your function from Java.
Package model doesn't exist.
Why do
Or
you
should
even
we
have
start
it?
with an upper? Oh, the package should be lowercase. I guess. And in the activity name here we are models. Redeclaration rover. Yeah, but it's a rover model. It's in a different package. Why it complains? Model. Did it change here? Yeah. And now?
Nope. Well, now that's
Activity main binding.
Did you change it from inactivity XML?
I didn't change anything.
And with this one, you're not calling or doing anything with that function, do you?
With the set thing,
Yeah.
I think it automatically calls it. Not sure though.
Wow.
Let's just delete it.
Yeah, probably not.
Why?
That's a really good question.
Can Google help us?
That code is basically the same, except the naming is different.
Yeah. Activity main binding.
Go to your code and check.
Main activity.
Yeah.
Activity main binding like this. But why?
I don't think that's that, but if
Oh, wait, I had this line here. Maybe it was because of that.
oh, maybe. Fun.
Maybe it's regarding the XML, but no. Should we try to delete this?
You think it will help?
No.
Maybe.
It's because of that.
Collides with
PP. Oh, it created it.
some free advertising.
I think it complains about the ID. Rover curiosity. Model.
Yeah. No.
But how to add that up, Rover? Maybe now it will work. And here, okay, we are getting over. Let's see. No.
Oh boy. Okay.
The right time. If you have a custom view, you can pass an object to it via data bindings. Let's say you have a basic custom view. Okay, I do.
Is it different? Well, there is more things written. It more or less is the same, no?
The sum var is just a data binding variable instance you have.
It's, to be honest, it's like solving a puzzle that's annoying as well.
Set thing. It should be inside the custom view.
So that's
it's
the
a
first
good-
problem.
I think it's a good idea to do a custom view based on this.
Yeah, because
But it's
Is it
this
Java?
is Java.
Yeah.
Why we're doing it in Kotlin?
Well, because apparently it's better.
Kotlin custom view class.
That's good. In 1.5 hours, we did a lot of progress. We still have one thing.
So I think we should do it.
First of all, I've
differently.
never seen such a class. Like Java overloads or what
This one is constraint layout. Constraint layout. And now we will have to overload the
No, you just put view and that's it. You put view and that's it.
I think we need these constructors
Yeah, but why do you have the constraint layout? Oh, okay.
to put view.
Maybe it's good.
View. View.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here should be your apparently your code.
Okay. Debugging at its best. And then in the main activity, let's delete it for a bit.
Go for your logs.
But I'm not. Oh yeah, I'm not linking the.
I think you should close that one.
Which one? This
This
one?
one,
Yeah. And probably a lot of them. Close others. I'm not linking here the.
What?
I'm not inflating the view.
Oh. give me water. So, did you find
No, I don't see where they're
something?
even here. I don't see where they're linking the layout to it. And I think it shouldn't be view, but just trying to.
Maybe.
At least I see that code, but I need to
You need to do what?
to inflate the layout. Why Android makes it so hard to do things like this? Android, Kotlin, custom new inflate.
You have to go through it to appreciate what you have.
The beauty of custom views in Android.
Let's see that beauty.
So
Is it beautiful?
I think you just call inflate, and that's it. Inflate, context, then the layout, r dot layout dot rover, then this object, this, and badum.
Badum badam badum. Now something should happen.
Okay, now it's better.
Perfect.
Now we can get to. We will still need that. To this one.
And very funny. Any useful information there?
We need to have a. So we will have here private, but here is no private. Val, Rover, model, Rover, model. Bar.
Or maybe not neither of them. Maybe it's just.
Do you need to initialize it at the beginning or what?
Maybe try it. I don't know.
But I will.
But that would
receive
be,
it.
wouldn't be very. Maybe it's yeah. Maybe it's like that, and without initializing it
Like what?
to create a more.
Yeah, but here you are creating it. Property must be initialized or the abstract. Must be initialized. I think it's late init. Late, yeah.
So
And then here we will have public function set model.
You don't need to have public.
It's public by default or what? What? Oh, but the setters and getters are there. Kotlin setter. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you set value. Field equal field field equal to value.
I've never seen something like
Maybe I need to make it get. Return value. Field. Okay, it's var. So
what the
why it can't let me use the late init here? Late init modifier got allowed on properties with a custom getter or setter. Late init no or setter.
here you go.
Workarounds.
Oh, okay. So what? Go.
That's the way you do it?
I don't know. I've never seen such a thing. Try it.
If I put Rover model.
Not here.
No.
Oh, okay. So I think you can delete those getters instead of no?
The setter I need. Or it has it automatically.
That's a good question.
I am lost. And if I do here,
slowly, like I mean, very slowly going somewhere. I don't know what is towards success, but it is going.
Will it build at least?
Nope. You can already see that. It's so well.
Unresolved models. Unresolved reference models.
What now?
Unresolved reference model.
Yeah, that's crazy how Kotlin is no bueno.
I think it complains about this type, but why? Models. Over model.
Why do you think so?
I don't know.
That's nice.
No. It's here.
You see?
Unresolved reference.
Yeah.
Why? Models dot cover. I love Kotlin.
Yeah, exactly. Android in general is amazing.
What's the difference between this one and this one? Why this is Kotlin extension and this one no?
Because that's a file and the other one is a class. That's the difference.
If I get them out of this, will you find?
Why do you have it as a file, that one? The other one?
Maybe, I don't know, that's the default.
Oh, that's the okay, interesting. How do you like? Good?
Yeah.
Done. Let's do other tutorials maybe.
I think it was a bad idea to start working at this without actually,
do more research.
yeah, learning it.
Yeah. And that means we can do something in, I don't know, other languages maybe. You know where I'm going towards. So, how do you like your experience in Kotlin so far?
Very nice.
I mean,
Cannot find a single activity main binding.
I think it's amazing.
We had the same problem. Why we had it? Because we had an error somewhere, but now
I already forgot, to be honest. Oh, we had it because of the XML file.
because of this XML file.
Because of this one. Go here.
yeah.
Because of that. Yeah.
But I need it.
Well,
Why? Up rover. Or maybe it's a rover model. Okay, it worked, but I like that the errors are so meaningless.
What was the error?
It wasn't like rover model, it was just rover.
Oh.
So I set rover model, and let's see if in this class hello.d hello, it worked.
Let's see.
And the low cut. Sure.
Nothing.
Wait. No, still nothing.
Maybe.
But I'm not running, I was building it. Okay, I'm a bit tired, I think.
Yeah, it still works.
It worked. It worked, Carl.
Maybe.
Now, I just need to set all the data, and that's it.
I don't know. Go for it.
But maybe there is a better way. Instead of find view by ID, something with bindings. But if I have here in the rover in the layout of the rover, if I put here, should I put it into a layout? Oh, and now we will be able, I think, to make the data bindings for it. I think it's gonna work. How much time do I still have?
Till when? Oh, till 8?
No, 8:30. Have
Still
around
4
15
minutes.
Maybe a bit more. And if I put here data variable name rover and type com.example Martian. I think I will move a rover model back there because it wasn't there in this models, rover model. Where is the actual text? Oh, here. I will try to do it. How is it like this? rover dot name and then here. Kotlin data binding for custom view. How to create the bindings here? I think like this, but not activity main, but rover binding, and something like this instead of inflate. Let's do it first of all without this data binding, because
We're running out of time and we need
Yeah.
to do research.
I will do it with finding view by ID. So in the rover we can say function render data, and to call here render data when we receive a rover. So find how?
First of all,
No?
you get the model.
Oh, I get it from here, I think, right? No, it's just like this, find view by ID. Find view by ID. R dot
ID.
ID
No. Yeah. Dot.
dot name. This is text view. Text view. Set text view. Name text view. That's Kotlin. Name text view. Set text. This dot rover model dot name. Only save, I think, like this. But we're not creating anywhere the actual objects. I think we should binding dot. The first one is curiosity. Rover curiosity is new, but without new, right?
Yeah, probably.
Rover model. Yeah, that's on create. Private value curiosity model. ID1 name curiosity test, and others have a default value. So this one should be curiosity. Required rover. Oh, activity name. It's rover model. Rover curiosity model, right? And if we run it, not again.
Why did I do it? Maybe.
Oh, I deleted the layout file.
There you go.
Another?
Yeah.
Where is it? We don't need this one.
But now you won't know whether it worked or not. Even if it works.
No, I
Because
see the name changed.
The name is the same, no?
Curiosity test. I said.
Oh, okay.
And probably it crashed.
No. It should start.
I think it crashed.
It said it brings. Oh. Try checking the errors and delete your search word.
Didn't find class on path. Really? Who didn't find the class?
Here, Rover.
Why? What? Save. The errors are so vague, like I don't understand where is the error.
No. Here you go. Probably here. This one.
Maybe a data class is differently called or what? Do you have an example? Wow. Like this?
No errors.
Nothing.
Nice.
Why?
Well, good question. Here you go. Go a bit higher.
Main activity init. Why it doesn't work? The most used question in this stream. Why it doesn't work?
Yeah.
No, for real. Late init or what? No, but it's not late init. Init.
Delete that private maybe. To be continued. And now we can.
I just want to see if it shows. And that's it for today. Now it works. Curiosity.
What? Well, what did you
I
change?
just took it out of the package.
Okay, interesting.
Very interesting.
Amazing.
So, what's left for the next time?
Oh,
A lot of things, right? So, yeah, here we see that we receive a model. We can set it to the actual text test here. Probably the next step would be to set all the data from the rover model to the view, and maybe try to use data binding in order not to use this find view by ID. But that's a start, and this is how it looks. Almost everything is hard coded.
But I think that's a start. In 2 hours,
Yeah.
not knowing almost anything about it.
Yeah, probably the next time I'll learn some Kotlin and it will be more fun.
No, I think.
So that's it for today. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lukai.
Goodbye.
Cheers.